5 top laundry gadgets you can get from Amazon. Number 1. Motzi 2-pack laundry detergent drip catcher or cup holder. Fits most economic-sized bottles, no more leaks or mess. Number 2. Dryer Vent Cleaner Kit Vacuum Attachment Dryer Lint Brush Remover with Guide Wire Bendable Dryer Lint Screen Cleaning Hose. Number 3. 2PK Fur Zipper Pet Hair Remover. Number 4. Box Legend version 3 Shirt Folding Board T-shirts Clothes Folder Durable Plastic Folding Helper Easy and Fast Folding Boards for Adults and Children, Black and Red. Number 5. Smart Design Sneaker Dryer and Wash Bag W Elastic Straps Durable Fabric for Shoes, Clothing, and Laundry Home Organization 15, 5x 15.5-inch white. Subscribe to see more items. Links to items in this video are in the description. Thanks for watching.